Welcome to my room. I am Mrs. Miller, your art teacher. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you and having a creative year.
Hello Astros, my name is Mrs. Tracy. I'm the music teacher here at Ashton and I teach music.
Hi there, I am Miss Drew. I'm the drama teacher here at Ashton Elementary School.
Hey guys, Coach over here in PE. Can't wait to see you guys this year.
Miss Lyman, glad you're here. Hi, I'm Coach Majors and I coach in PE.
Welcome to the best place in the universe, the Ashton Tech Lab. I am Mrs. DeWitt and I'll be the tech teacher this year. Looking forward to a techno year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ward, and I'm the teacher in the science lab, and I love science.